Hello everyone. Before starting, if you are seeking to learn ComfyUI, I have an introductory course which explains very briefly the approach of ComfyUI for architecture and design. Feel free to check it out. Today we are going to explore the new release of SD3.5 ControlNets, specifically Canny ControlNet. You will be able to find the workflow in my Patreon. I am using the GGUF model through the .NET Loader GGUF node. The clip node is also in GGUF version. The first test here was in 25 steps and in a 5.5 CFG count. The result is interesting. Let's try lowering the denoise to 20 and the CFG to 5. The result here seemed better. The ControlNet is set at 0.5 strength, with the end percent at 1.0. Overall, the quality has some blur effect a little bit. That might be coming from the Q4 GGUF version model, also might be from the end percent of the ControlNet. Feel free share your thoughts with me if you iterated with the SD3.5 model. Thanks for watching.